Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a VS Code web coding IDE UI clone inside React.js. So I built out this editor directly in React.js where we're running this project locally, as you can see, localhost 8080. So we started this React project here, as you can see, locally. So it's a coding UI editor where you can actually write your code. As you can see, it has the look and feel of the VS Code. So here you can create files as well. So then we also have the option to run the code as well. So it's just the UI section. It's just a user interface, so which we coded inside React.js, as you can see that. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using Radix UI for the actual UI interface. And as you can see, we are using the latest version of React. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you can, the link is given in the description. So as you can see, each component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So JSX file, so it's fully customizable. You can easily customize this to add additional features as well. So as you can see that, so we have this, you can actually edit from here. You can write the code here like this with full syntax highlighting. So, so I basically give it the look and feel of Visual Studio Code text editor coding IDE. So it's fully responsive as well. So if you responsively, this is a complete UI. It's a little bit of coding IDE. So similar to Visual Studio Code desktop IDE that you use. So I basically built this UI directly in the browser using React.js. So with the menu as well. So as you can see, it's just a user interface. It's not fully connected with the code. You can basically write the code with syntax highlighting as well. So if you want to save your time, if you're looking forward for building a coding IDE, looking forward for a UI, you can purchase this source code and simply connect it with the database as well. So it's just the syntax highlighting and a full coding IDE similar to VS Code. We also have the run code button. So we show this animation whenever you click the run code button. You can see that. So if you're interested in this, you can purchase it. The link is given in the description. If you still face any issues, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. You can easily purchase a domain name and easily deploy this by running this command npm run build. We are simply running this, as you can see, npm run dev. So this started this local development server. So you can easily run this project, deploy this by executing this command npm run build. So definitely check out this project if you are interested. For building this, we have used this UI framework, which is Radix UI, specifically built for React applications. So definitely check out this.